Yes. Relay contacts can stick and cause blower issues when they weld closed or fail to make a clean break. Relay contact sticking happens when arcing, heat, or mechanical wear causes metal transfer between contact surfaces so they fuse or develop heavy pitting. Start by cutting power and visually inspecting the relay for discoloration, pitting, or obvious fusion on the contact faces. If you see any dark burn patterns, melted edges, or a shiny fused seam, the contact is likely welded and will need replacement. For electromechanical relays, you can sometimes free a lightly stuck contact by carefully tapping the relay while de-energized to see if the contact separates, but that is only a temporary test and not a repair. Replace the relay with one rated for the same coil voltage and equal or greater contact current and inductive load rating to avoid repeat failure. When installing the new relay, ensure clean control wiring terminations and fit a snubber or suppressor across inductive loads, such as motors, to reduce contact arcing and extend life. Common mistakes include assuming a blower motor fault rather than checking the control relay, which leads to unnecessary motor replacement. The fix is to test the relay coil and contacts, first using a continuity check or swap with a known good relay. Another issue is using a replacement relay with inadequate current or inductive rating, which will lead to rapid contact wear. Always match or exceed the original relay specifications and use motor-rated contacts when available. A third mistake is ignoring intermittent operation when the relay is warm because thermal expansion can reveal sticking. The concise remedy is to observe the relay under normal running conditions and replace if behavior changes with temperature. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project approaches and pricing related to blower and control system repairs. We also help contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where we and other users share troubleshooting tips and real job experiences.